Guys, meet Matt.
How you doing?
I know I have a video out there showing you guys how to tint this door without removing the push bar, but today Matt is going to help us showing us how to do it. So we have a video on how to do it, so if you guys need to do it, okay? It's not complicated. How much time it takes you to remove this, Matt?
About 2 minutes.
2 minutes, all right? Okay.
So we have an end cap on both sides. Those screw off with 4 screws. And then you got 2 screws that hold this on either side. These ones aren't in, but we're in that little space there. And once those are off, this little pigtail sags down. That part is the key part to getting it back on. So underneath, I usually either wedge a piece of tape or wax to try and keep that level for when we put it back on. And I just rolled up some duct tape. I'm gonna try and stick that in there.
So the duct tape goes under that little piece of metal
Underneath.
just to keep the little metal, which is the lock, from sagging down, because you need to match the push bar with that little thingamajig over there. Do you need to cut that in half?
Yeah. Made this a little too long.
Okay. There we go. You can use a little piece of tape like he's using. You can use wax to hold that up. You can use a buidel to hold that up. Something that it's going to stay in there is just to make sure it will line up when you put the push bar in place.
This is the hard part.
That's it. You see how it's in the center instead of sagging it down? And that's when this part over here, this part of the push bar, this part over here, it's gonna match that little piece, and then it's just a screw back.
It's easier if you line up the screws.
Yeah, he has to line up the screws and go for it.
Go in a little sideways.
And just like that, the push bar, it's back in place. All you have to do now is put the end caps. I hope that'll help you guys out there. Bye-bye. Thanks, Matt.
No problem.